I hope you can see that, but it really is perfectly straight. For glue ups, I could just glue those without any other preparation. Don't need to do a jointer, and that joint would be perfect as far as I'm concerned. There you go. Simple, easy, quick to make, nothing fancy, adjustable, so I can do really wider pieces because it follows my fence and not one of the runners in the table saw. So very versatile, and I find that I use it quite a bit. So make your own, guarantee you use it. Especially if you use pallets like I do, or rough lumber.